Hi, my name is Zander and I am working for Jason Harrelson, my Uncle Harrelson Trumpets, and I'm going to build my own trumpet for Jason.
What are you building right now, Zander?
And first I'm going to build the mouthpiece. Now I am about to build.
No, I didn't ask you.
Zander, what's that called? What's that mouthpiece called?
It's called the 5
How old are you, Zander?
and even I'm 6 years old, and I'm learning how to build a trumpet.
What is it you're doing there? Can you show us a little closer?
And these are the pieces to build the mouthpiece, and I will show you how to do these pieces all together without any other colors, just gold. And I'm not going to use this yet. I'm just going to use the black one. It's because it's my size for my lips. And now I'm about to start. Okay, now put this in here.
Do you have a certain color preference for your mouthpiece?
The color for my front mouthpiece is black
How come?
because it's my size. And when I'm done doing this, I'm going to try out the gold piece for you guys if you like gold. And here what it looks like.
Can you show us how you would blow into it?
Okay, I need to start this. Okay. Okay.
Do you only do it once, or do you keep trying several times to see if it works?
Good job. There you go. You got a good buzz. Very nice.
And this is how that's how you blow it. And now I'm going to put the gold piece on for you guys if you like gold. Oopsie. Oopsie daisy. Something a little missing. I have to screw it a little bit apart.
How many parts are in that mouthpiece?
5.
You had it right the first time. From the other end.
Not stuck. Stuck.
Want some help? I can help you. Okay, you get the rest of it ready.
Okay.
I think it's not. Other way. There you go.
There you go.
Now I push this down, and now I put this in. Wait, I forgot. And here's the gold piece for you guys, for the top, the gold, and I need to put this back in.
It just has to be put in just perfect. There you go. Just nice and easy. Don't push hard. Nice. There you go. See? You did it.
Now I put this in here and screw it in. Do the time lapse, Grandma.
We will.
It's just I'm doing slow part this time. And here's what it looks like of the gold. It's this big.
Very nice. Thank you for that demonstration, Zander.
And this one is too big for my lips. So now I have to put the black piece on. And I'm going to keep the black piece on the whole time. It's because I'm making my own trumpet for Jason.
Zander, what are the rest of these parts on the table with you?
These are the body parts, and this is the mouth part.
Can you show us what some of those other different mouth parts are that are in front of you?
And this is the same piece that I'm building, and here's another same one. Different gold.
What are those?
And here's a piece with an extra piece on it, so you know what it looks like with this piece on. And it's this big. But if you put the finger inside, it looks like a person's leg is stuck in a tunnel.
Why do you think there's different pieces that look the same?
Because they're the same shapes, and sometimes they're different colors.
Different sizes for different
And different sizes
for different
for different.
They're different sizes for different people.
Yeah.
If you
This-
just tell them, they'll repeat it.
This is my size trumpet.
Hearing someone prompt it is funny.
This is my size trumpet, and I'm going to build it for my own, for Jason, so I can practice building my own trumpet.
Do you want to put your mouthpiece, once you're done, do you want to put your mouthpiece on the trumpet and play?
Yeah.
Okay, you put it together and then you can pick your horn up and play.
Alright, let me see. Looks like this part, the throat part, is in backwards. I'll show you. See this tapers? So the taper matches up there. Now you can put it together. Push it together lightly. If you push it together too hard, it'll get stuck. So just real light. Just because you get it lined up right. What do you think, Oscar?
Now I'm done with my piece for the trumpet. Now I'm going to put it in.
Perfect.
This is like too heavy.
It is a heavy one. Alright, put your hand around there like normal.
Oops, oops.
There you go. Nice. Very nice. Good
Like
job.
that.
Woohoo!
That's how you do the trumpet. But now I'm done with the mouthpiece. Now I'm going to do the body pieces.
Is this like Legos?
Yep.
Okay, well say goodbye to your audience. Thank you for watching.
See you next time.
Thank you for watching my mouthpiece of my trumpet video. Bye.